Hi friends, we're having another set of scales repaired today. You can see the name on the screen right now. Some of the buttons aren't working, and the protective cover is peeling off. I'll be checking and then replacing the broken buttons. Number 2 works every other time. The number 3 doesn't work at all. I'll probably check all the buttons and clean them completely. Let's take the scale apart. I removed the cover, and now I need to remember how the cable is connected. Always write down or take a photo of the connector's location before disassembling. I'm also thinking of blowing air through the inside to remove any dust. I've disassembled all the buttons and will now clean the plates and button contacts under a microscope. If any buttons stop working, I'll replace them completely. Cleaning is even better than replacing them, because over time, a white coating develops on the buttons, and if you install a new button, it may soon stop working. Therefore, if the new buttons were stored in damp areas, they may not work for long. I've already installed all the buttons, and they're all tactilely responsive. I removed the protective covers and now I'll glue them back on properly, as they weren't sticking at all. As you can see, another device is repaired. Let's check it out. The scale is now clean, and I reapplied the sticker. The tactile response is perfect, and the buttons click instantly. Done, friends. You can give the scale back to its owner. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye.